Switching from Rogers to Public Mobile, here's how the SMS approval safeguards your number. As of January 2024, the CRTC mandates SMS verification to combat fraud. First, initiate the port request through Public Mobile's website or app with your Rogers account details. Rogers will then send an SMS containing a unique verification code to your Rogers phone number. You must promptly enter this code into Public Mobile's system to authorize the transfer. This crucial step, implemented in 2024, helps prevent unauthorized porting and protects against scams. Make sure your Rogers account is active and in good standing to ensure a smooth SMS delivery and prevent delays. This SMS verification has significantly reduced fraud, making number porting safer. Once you've submitted the SMS verification, the porting process typically takes 1 to 2 business days to complete, though it can extend to 5 days if manual verification is needed. Public Mobile reports a 95% success rate for approved ports. Delays are most common during peak periods, such as the end of billing cycles. Ensure your Rogers account has no outstanding balance exceeding $200 CAD to avoid rejection. Remember, the account holder must authorize the port. Also, check that your number hasn't been ported within the last 30 days, as this can cause issues. Public Mobile uses Telus' network, which offers extensive coverage, but data speeds may differ from Rogers. Post-porting, confirm that your Public Mobile service is active and test calling and data functions. You should also receive a confirmation SMS from Public Mobile once the transfer is complete.